TK in a Tesla? Yep.
With the switch, guacamole with the taco.
Perfect. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and well, I have something new to show you. I told you guys, you know, like where we got the sale pending on the Charger, that I had something different that I wanted to do, and I just did that. I picked up a Tesla Model 3 at less than wholesale. I'm gonna go plug this thing into the Charger, and then I will be outside. All right, so some of the very first things that I'm noticing about the Tesla is, damn, she's gonna need some maintenance. I may not have got such a great deal. It needs a couple things we're gonna address when we stop and I give you the formal introduction. But I don't know, maybe the shaky wheel is caused by bad tires. Ugh. And here's the thing. I know that electric cars are supposed to be easier to work on than, say, gasoline cars. There's less moving parts, all that good stuff. And this is not my first Tesla. I've had a Model S, and I had a Model 3, if you guys don't remember. I had the Model 3 Performance for like, what, 3 months? And that worked out really well. This one seems to be different though. I don't know if Tesla changed the whole UI or the software or what, but like trying to navigate to get to like the AC thing and swiping up from the bottom and a couple other things, I don't know if I like it. Anyways, driving good. Also, I'm noticing battery. So I picked this thing up at the dealer and it had 71%. It currently has 59%. So what's that? 12% already? Oof. We'll see how she does. I'm gonna get her to the house, plug it in, and we'll see like what its rate of charge is and all that good stuff. Or maybe I'll just go take it to a supercharger and figure it out. But yeah, ouch. Buy an electric car, they said. It will be fun, they said. So currently in line, there's like 1, 2, 3 other Teslas, and all the Tesla stations are full. But electric car charging is the future, right? Electric cars, right? Yeah, we're waiting. We'll see what happens. Unfortunately, guys, until they get the situation sorted out where there could be more chargers for these cars, it would be asinine or retarded for you to buy one of these. So I'm getting my first experience on the West Coast with a Tesla, and I stopped at the supercharging station. First, I had to set this up. You have to set up your credit card and all that stuff on your Tesla account. And then you get here, and then they're like, high use station, it's very busy, limit it to 80%. And I'm immediately like, eat a dick. 92 to 95 for me, please. Which we have here, we're at 76%. 14 minutes remaining, and I should be at 92%. That's what I limited it to. That should be enough for me to get around and do what I'm doing today. But another part of it, I mean, I get it. You could be going to the gas station. You could go to Home Depot if you need. You could go do other stuff. Go to Farmer Boys and go get some food. I understand that there's other stuff you could do when you get one of these. It's just, when I have one of those, I don't have to worry about that. Oh, but the environment, TK, the environment. So anywho, we're gonna go ahead and let this thing get topped off, and then we'll do a walk around. I'll show you the damage that's on the car, because it's obviously not perfect, and go over some of the different issues with the car. I don't know, the ability to kind of just let the car drive itself is kind of dope. But I know they can get that in gas cars. This is cool. apply slight force to steering wheel. Yeah, we just gonna have to get a little weight or something I can hang on here. But the self-driving thing, okay, that's interesting. So, this is my 2022 Tesla Model 3. And of course, because I had so much luck last time, I got a car at the bar. But no, in all seriousness, this car has its issues. It shakes at about 70 miles an hour going down the road, which we've already seen. You might have saw it at the beginning of the video. Curb rash, which I think I can get repaired. Nothing major on that wheel. Where the issue comes in is this car has been wrecked. And you can see it right here. You guys see this? It's all buckled and dented. And the entire, usually when you see a buckle or a dent like this, it got hit really hard in the rear and this buckles. And there's a little bit of a buckle right here. But the lines for the door look good. That only tells me that Tesla's build quality probably sucks so bad that the accident made the body lines better. And then we have the water in the taillight situation. I have no idea what's going on with this, but I'm assuming that I think this is a common issue on these Teslas, but there's that. No charger on that side. More curb rash wheels over here. Now on this side of the car, she looks pretty straight. There's no cracks or anything on the glass. She looks pretty good. No issues. There's a little ding right there, which you guys can see. See the reflection, that dent? All right, I'm gonna try to get that out. Some serious scratching right there. But the cameras and stuff look good, and curb rash on all four wheels. Now, I know you're gonna say, how much was this? Well, it really doesn't matter, because I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna tag them in the description of this video too. So Swamp Boy's Garage literally just got done rebuilding one of these cars. I don't even care that this is a 2020, this is a 2021. Did I say 2022? 2021 Tesla. Here's my issue with this car. It shakes going down the highway, which tells me it's either got bad wheels or, you know, bad tires, or one of the wheels are bent, something, all right? I don't want to deal with that. I know it's all expensive. This makes my BMW look like a Honda Accord. It's cheap. But the leather seats, the interior of this car is extremely clean, no issues, looks good. Same thing right here. Like, and here's the thing. You'll probably see a video here in the future. I'm gonna go ahead and get my PDR kit out, and I'm gonna see if I can straighten that up where you don't see this gap right here, and straighten this up. But I just wanted to give you guys the first introduction to the car. It's going to be on the channel for a little bit until I can sell it. And then I'm probably going to buy the car from Swamp Boy's Garage, because it just depends. We'll work out numbers. We'll figure it out. But if they're selling theirs, knowing what I paid for this, and I don't even care. They're like, oh, it's a salvage. I don't give a crap if it's a rebuild title. You guys know me. I don't give a shit. Oh, wow. Is this tire tore up? Oh, alrighty. Awesome. Anyways, so here it is. Quick introduction, quick video. You know, I really didn't get a chance to go over everything in the car. We'll do separate videos. You're going to see it all over the channel for the next couple weeks. So just get used to it until I can sell it. And I'll be here at the bar every day. So come buy it. Please. Please come buy it.